My name is Stephen Gerson. I'm a Michigan attorney who has been speaking out about Cure Insurance Company. There's a lot I've been troubled by. Cure currently ranks third highest in complaints, even though they are the 20th largest insurance company in Michigan. And 76% of these complaints involve how Cure is handling its own customers' claims. But what I want to talk to you about today is Cure's message to Detroiters that they do not need to buy unlimited no-fault PIP coverage. In several media interviews now, Eric Poe, the CEO of Cure, has bragged that 6% of Cure's insureds, only 6%, select unlimited no-fault PIP coverage. He's also said a big reason why insurance agents recommend unlimited no-fault PIP coverage is so these agents can make more money with their commissions. I'm sure that Cure wants to sell more Cure policies, but I also know that telling people this can have catastrophic consequences for them. Here's why this is so dangerous. Many Detroiters don't have health insurance at all. If they do have health insurance, many don't have great health insurance that will pay for everything that they critically need if they've been badly hurt in an auto accident. So what happens to these Detroiters after they get hurt in a bad crash? We need to first understand that $50,000 in PIP medical, which Cure is selling a lot of these days, can be wiped out in a blink after a serious car crash. And after the PIP medical is gone, a lot of really bad things are going to happen. First, these people are not going to be able to get the medical care they desperately need if they've been hurt. Second, remember, just because they don't have PIP medical to pay for medical treatment anymore doesn't mean their injuries just went away and they're now fine. It means these people have to now turn to their own personal savings to pay for all the medical bills they are now going to incur. Third, they eventually are forced to declare personal bankruptcy because of crushing medical debt after they've now lost everything. So Cure's just wrong here. And this advice is setting up Cure's customers in Detroit for disaster if they are ever seriously injured in a car crash. I've tried to explain this to Cure. I even wrote a blog about this on my law firm website, michiganautolaw.com, to tell Cure that this advice can cause real harm to its own customers. Cure's response? I received probably the nastiest letter I've received in 30 years of practicing law, demanding I take down my blog or threatening that Cure would sue me, which they just did last month. But Detroiters need to know what Cure is doing. In addition to all this, there's also something else. Cure appears to be using something called rescission to cancel their own customers' policies after they try to file a claim. In other words, when these Cure customers actually need insurance. According to one Cure representative, they are canceling people at a rate of more than 1.5 people per day when he gave sworn testimony under oath. Well, Cure, thank you for suing me. Now we're going to find out exactly how many of your customers you tried to cancel in Michigan. And this brings me to the point of this video and this website. If you've bought insurance from Cure and Cure has canceled your policy after you tried to make a claim, let us know. Fill out our contact form so we can gather the evidence to show exactly what Cure is doing in Michigan.